Okay, we're out here hiding behind the shelter belt. I have my 550 together. I took the 600 speed control and what else did I take? The speed control and the receiver to get a good solid connection. So this is a maiden after everything's been put back together, and hopefully all goes well here. We'll give it a whirl. Everything looks correct. Wind's blowing hard. I'm kind of hiding back here, so hopefully that'll work out okay. That looks different. We better adjust this. Kind of how it goes. Let's try it like that. Further. Gonna move this a little bit. I'm gonna go with that. Might shoot high, but didn't like the way that was looking. Ooh, the wind's blowing. There was some grouse out here, but they didn't like me being here. I think the blades are out of track. Having a hard time telling though. Yeah, I see it. Big time. Okay, we'll try. Oh, I don't have no tools. Okay, well, we'll just fly it and then we'll do it later. Look at that soft start. Timer. See how the wind's affecting it? I'll check the blades at home. You just get lazy. The wind is really grabbing it. Watch this. Woo! Glare is really bad. Seems to be flying well. Tail is wagging a little, but it's okay. As the wind is getting with it. Trying to pull it back to me. Doesn't want to come. That's how bad the wind is. Plenty of pop. Little blurb there. That might be because of the split blades. Okay, we're good, so we better land. Split blades, just need to look at those when I get back. Man. It's probably 15 to 20 easy.